Hey guys, and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Heidi and I love saving money, making life easier. So I'll be sharing with you guys how to make a make-ahead breakfast using this sandwich maker by Hamilton Beach. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and let's get started. On the machine, there is a green and a red button. When you plug it in, the red button will light up. Once it's preheated and ready to go, it'll turn green. The part that slides all the way over will release the egg and the top part of the sandwich out, and it'll form onto one. So you lift that up, and then the whole sandwich, once you lift all of them up, will be completely together and on the bottom. That's a removable piece. You can easily use it in the dishwasher. You don't have to use any cooking sprays. It's non-stick. I found this at Target. I know Walmart also sells this as well. While the machine is preheating, I'm going to take this time to cut all the English muffins in half. I like to do this over the sink. It does get really messy. So here we have the English muffins that I cut in half. The sausage, this is already pre-cooked. For the machine, it does not cook any kind of meat. So if you want to add that, you have to pre-cook it. The cheese, I use the Kraft sliced cheese. It melts really well. And then eggs. As you can see, the machine is now on green. That means it's ready to go. So the first thing you want to do is put the bottom of your English muffin into the machine. You'll add in your cheese, and then after that you'll add in your meat of your choice if you want any at all. But remember, it does have to be pre-cooked. Once you add in everything right there, you're going to close that part and you'll add in your egg. If you want, you can scramble your egg or you can just press it down with a fork. Then you'll add in the top of your English muffin and then close the machine. The machine does not tell you when it's done. You just want to time it 4 to 5 minutes. In my opinion, this breakfast sandwich maker is definitely worth the money. And I've had this machine for a few years now. The options are endless with creating whatever type of sandwich. You can use bagels, you can use regular bread, anything that can fit into the machine. Once I have all my English muffins cooked, I'm going to let them cool down. Once they're cool, I'm going to use this press and seal and wrap them in. You can easily use saran wrap. And after that, I'm going to wrap it with aluminum foil. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.